test out this Bobcat T770.
I'm in a member of a lot of online forums, and I keep seeing this question being asked is, how do you tell if your Bobcat is high flow? Because unfortunately people will say their machine's high flow when it's actually not, because for one, they'll be able to sell it faster and generally get more money because everybody thinks they need high flow nowadays. But it's really easy to tell. There's a couple different ways you can. One is by raising the cab and looking at the pump, but a normal person's not really going to be able to tell the difference. But the other way, it's pretty simple. You just put the bar down, push to operate the loader, and then you push that to activate your hydraulics, and then you push it again. If it's high flow, it'll say high flow. It's that simple. But the other problem is you got people that'll get the machines and they'll paint them and they'll put new decals on them, and the decal will say high flow when that's not necessarily even accurate. And yeah, they're pretty much screwing people. But the other surefire way to tell is to take the serial number of the machine and just call a dealer if you have any questions. There's just no reason not to. Plus, it'll give you peace of mind. You know that the machine's not in there stolen or anything like that. You know, a couple-minute phone call can save you a lot of troubles, or having to sell a machine you bought that they said was high flow, that's not high flow, that you can't use. But reality though, if you're not running like a mulcher, a planer, those are pretty much the main ones you need high flow for. I mean, about everything else, they make standard flow attachments, so it really just depends on what, you know, what you're doing. But also, the channel's been growing a lot lately. I appreciate that, guys. It's kind of crazy. I'd appreciate it, you know, if you enjoyed this video, to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you guys on the next one.